ICYMI, Robbie Domingo and Mikey Pineda are now married. The couple, who have been together for over 5 years, officially sealed the deal in an intimate ceremony on January 6, 2024, in Pulilan, Bulacan. Of course, their closest friends and family in attendance, including celebrities Regine Velasquez, Piolo Pascual, Melay Francisco, Bel Mariano, Donnie Pangilinan, and more. One of the stylish guests who caught our attention was none other than Catherine Bernardo. The actress, who was chosen as part of the candle sponsors along with her ex-boyfriend Daniel Padilla, looked breathtaking in an asymmetrical Anthony Ramirez number. Hairstylist John Valle gave her a sleek, middle-parted updo, allowing her chic pair of drop earrings from Chanel to take center stage. Meanwhile, makeup artist Justine Claudia del Rosario kept her makeup fresh and dewy, with a classic cat eye for an overall sultry look.